How to fix Instagram couldn't refresh feed issues swiftly. Have you ever encountered the frustrating message, "couldn't refresh feed" on Instagram? This issue can leave you unable to see the latest updates from friends, influencers, and brands, disrupting your seamless browsing experience. Understanding the problem. When faced with the "couldn't refresh feed" issue, it's essential to know that it can stem from various causes. It often arises when Instagram fails to load new content, leading to a static feed filled with older posts. This can leave users feeling disconnected from their social circles. Common culprits. Unstable network connection. One of the primary reasons for the feed not refreshing is a poor network connection. Instagram needs a stable internet connection to fetch new content. Outdated Instagram app version. Using an outdated version of the Instagram app could also lead to this issue. Instagram regularly releases updates to enhance performance and fix bugs. Technical glitches or server issues. Occasionally, technical glitches or server-side problems can result in the "couldn't refresh feed" message. Solutions to try. To resolve the "couldn't refresh feed" issue, start by ensuring your internet connection is stable. You can switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data or reset your router if you're on Wi-Fi. Understanding these points can help you maintain a smooth social media experience on Instagram. Want to learn more? Subscribe our YouTube channel.